But we never invest in the land. We come out land, empty land, and we have a country.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited.
Alright, so your name, boss?
Israel Voice, you know, bossa and artiste, you know. Israel Voice.
Okay, Israel Voice. So, alright, so I'm going to ask you this, about the whole situation.
Yeah, man.
What do you think about it?
Well, right now, you see, money is the root of all evil. You can't save no treasure on earth, you know. Just say you have to leave all of your treasure in Zion. So, could have probably make some different people angle the money.
Yeah.
You know, when time you come from down in the ghetto, you come from down at Chilani, though. See, but we never invest in the land. We come out land, empty land, and we have a country where...
And they have it for retirement, you know, for like film kids, them and generation
no,
now.
But put down money in a bank is not retirement. Them even super cat tell you, say. Them want to kill him over and publish it. So anything you put down in a bank, anything you put down too long after other people, like you put down sitting after a rat. You know when Granny used to put down something.
Yeah. So you don't put money in a bank?
But not every money hold in a bank. Billion no hold in a bank. Bank is a thing where you put a set of local kind of money in a bank. See, because when funeral day, you don't have to have money, you know, the whole family are buried. So you don't have to worry, say, oh, me I go put on $1 billion because I want a pretty cock man.
So you don't have money in a bank and them something there?
Yeah, money in a bank, but a kind of money where...
What do you mean?
Nothing. If you have thief it can't touch me because me now go have
you don't put no big, no
if me have billions, me I give my virgin the money. We have Africa, we have...
So if you have $10 million right now, Jamaican dollar, you not put in a bank?
Me I put $1 million in a bank. $1 million can probably buy a good car. Probably use half and run her insurance. Me have woman, she want to do business. Me have my fitness, she good I want something.
So you
good.
find out that somebody rob you $10 million now. Oh, what the first thing you do?
The first thing,
your money gone, yeah.
My money gone.
Yeah.
Me could have catch a heart attack all day, you know. Me don't know if I'm going to live. Because you don't know what kind of experience you get when these kind of rats.
Yeah, come reach you.
Sorry for both, can run fast and win the money.
Yeah.
And somebody, but you must get back your money. The first time I say, Jamaica does a play with him because you can't just vanish $2 billion. Not because it's the land of crocodile.
Yeah.
Nobody can just nyam $2 million.
Me get it.
So the money must gone there somewhere. So all Bolt have to do is just take him time, second down him and the government. And if the government want to get back the money, Andrew want to get back the money, he have to get it back.
Oh, wow.
And we know that any Jamaica right now.
So from the Prime Minister say, do.
Yeah, and if Rima, Jungle, Guard, the man to go beer, all the way you see people are bad and kick up hell say, Bolt have to get back his money. And if 14 use and get it.
Okay.
See? And the only thing we know Jamaica can do is run, you know. Jamaica, all the Jamaica people are going.
That may sound like it's supposed to have a talk show.
Like, right now, people are looking for me over the world for talk show. A good thing you find me hide enough people. If they dance,
we dance too?
They've been a real Rasta.
No, man, you have to go skank somebody. You can't. I have to go see somebody.
A new dancer here. Rebel Salute.
All right.
Rebel Salute.
All right.
Rebel Salute.
Yeah.
Rebel Salute.
Yeah.
Teach some you.
Okay.
Rebel Salute.
Okay.
Out one foot. Fly over there.
Yo, that bad. That bad.
Me have the artist dancing in the world. Ask Bogle and Chief behind Graham. They are big man, me and Bogle them are friends. But we are not the hype-up dancer there, you know? We just dance and keep ourselves alright. People bad mind now.
But wait, I know one talent alone you have. You can actually act too?
Yeah, me an actor, me a farmer.
Oh, hold on, step back.
Me a chef. You see? Because when you're a Rasta, me everything that's good.
Okay.
Me is a doctor.
No. So you have so much talent. You're supposed to wear rich.
Because me a Rasta.
Whoa.
Because Rasta is not of the society.
Oh.
I can't go pay a liar, society liar, because I don't have certain kind of money. I not work in a system.
So they say you're a Rasta, the rest of them have like, you know, you have a different love from the ladies them out in the street.
No, you what go on. I want and two lady. Look, I idea come and Rebel Salute and look for a good woman right now, you know. Because I want a woman there. Woman that say when you're a real Rasta, woman afraid of real Rasta.
Oh, here, listen. I have a platform right now, you know. So looking at the camera right now and say, you know, looking at the camera right now, step back now and sit to the lady out there, so who might want to come reach out to you and say, yo, just talk to her right now.
Alright, right now, you know what I talk to my lady and say, I my song when I always I sing.
Alright.
Send forth and I me Jaja. Bless me with a woman like Ruth. One of them woman like Sarah Jaja. Good woman Rasta one for having youth. Enough get good woman and no. Left them princess a yard and pick up concubine a dog.
Oh.
I know. Enough of the woman them never did a thing. That's why enough of them go run up in a things. Rasta man chant. I tell the world a good woman me want. Since you like me granny, up full like me aunt. Well beautiful like Jerusalem plant.
Alright.
Rasta man a chant. Send forth a Naomi Jaja.
I Naomi Campbell you talk about.
Like wood.
I Naomi in the Bible and Naomi Campbell.
Yeah, they know Naomi Campbell could have been.
Oh, okay.
Naomi in the Bible. You know.
Okay, so where that
Which
lady
you
can
want.
find you know, so she a watch right now, she might be in a fire in England, wherever. How she can get for contact, you know, you have to go tell her how she can reach you.
I know name Michael Anthony Mothersill, but you see on the Facebook, Israel Voice, you can me that say my number is 778-11113. And John
I
O'Farrell.
don't have no type, if she kind of fluffy or slim, you will work with it.
Once she healthy, me I look for a healthy woman. I mean, I really want an ugly woman neither, yeah, man. 'Cause you will run left for an ugly woman. Me no mean say, probably, you know, woman heart of really
Yeah.
beautiful and them look.
Yeah.
But you
And
see,
she can do the things them too.
yeah, the good things them because you have
Okay.
people that do the new thing.
Oh.
And the new thing not really a work out. The new thing is just a cranny thing. After a while you feel cranny, you know?
Oh.
How people beg say you live a good life like that.
Yeah.
Alright, you see real Rasta now you have to hide. So it's when you hide you have to say, everybody a try defile them one of them, everybody a try to bring down them one another to make everybody feel cranny. Me like everybody feel good. Like me
Yeah.
walking up, I want to feel good. Now
Okay.
warrior, we a warrior, we feel good. So me book a woman, I want she feel good and I want to feel
So how you gonna make she feel good?
what you mean by girl? Find out what it takes to make love in the right way and teach her the right way to because you find say nowadays no woman know the right thing. Some of them know the
Tell
right
them
thing.
quickly, because we have to wrap up. Tell them quickly.
You know, say, Jano, all of me I tell the items, stay firm and strong and be upful in yourself.
Okay.
And don't waste life. Don't waste time and talk some foolishness because life is just a little jiffy.
Okay.
Saying, AI come to take over to enough women are going to lose them work in offices and business places because the AI, it don't eat lunch, it don't give trouble to the bigger people.
You know you're smart.
You see me so?
You know you're smart.
Don't bother think say, well, another woman alone, you know. I'm sorry for we too, you know. Because help for we and help for them, you know.
Yeah.
Because we have to balance.
Yeah.
I don't know idiot thing for you.
But see, we have a conversation about the whole AI thing.
I Rasta from Jerusalem schoolroom. That means I stay in a Rasta camp. I not left the Rasta camp all now. I go to every Rasta camp.
Whoa.
Because Rasta are just natural. It's just a way of life. You know what I mean? A man holy than a man.
Yeah.
But there's a nice liberty within the realms of divine and divinity. Just like how people are fight war go on now, or people like the younger generation, them take on to a ancient life. I'm gonna say this the right and that the right.
But
I don't know our
hold
business.
on, we're gonna come cut now. So quickly, just tell the people them artist name, one song where you want to promote right now.
Alright, my name is Israel Voice.
Yeah.
And as I say, I promote the Naomi. And I have a new CD with them, Strange Land. Like, good time, bad time. I spot it coming. I see the street life. I see the blood
Wait,
money.
you rap too?
Marijuana in the way, you keep my
Wait,
brain
you rap?
fine. You know what also hard? Watching nightlife. Hey, telephone call ringing all night. Oh, big city. Keep on ringing, you know, my voice was, but love reggae music, yeah. I glad it have me do you.
Yo, honestly,
Where you wanna
that
go?
is it right
You
there, saying
can't
because honestly, the brother have too much talent right now. Big up yourself.
They ain't gonna catch it. We see them all time. People need energy. They need some melody. Some people sick up in them brain. They need some therapy. Can't control them brain better than people. This is a game change and this a table turn. Call my name if you like it. Don't hurt me. Down in the street, you know, stinker than they. Oh, big, you know, right, you know, just to my voice host. Me can't even get for sing for the ladies them and sing for the fans them. I love on a boss and an artist. Bad time, good time. Spotty coming. I see the street life. I see the blood money. Marijuana, you know, today you keep my brain. Rastafari, you know, me love. How the program here?
The DuttyBerryShow, man. Bless up yourself.
DuttyBerryshow. Hear me now, berry. I know say I hold it for cherry. I know berry make the earth go merry. Bless up my carry and Terry. A berry.
All right.
Yeah.
Bless, I.